We're never going to get anywhere this morning with you driving the bus. Are you ready to say the pledge?
Do you want to hear a joke? No. What do you call a bull that is sleeping? A bulldozer. I thought the band was great. Give them another round of applause.